Today, we're talking about one of the most underrated, most surprising, and most explosive muscle cars of the 1960s, the 1969 AMC Hurst SC. This is the car that proved you didn't need a big budget or a big name to build a true American performance machine. The SCC Rambler is loud, bold, patriotic, and one of the craziest muscle cars ever released. Yet most people today don't even know it exists. Let's dive into the story behind this forgotten beast. In the late 1960s, AMC was the smallest of the big four American automakers. Ford, GM, and Chrysler were dominating the muscle car world. So AMC teamed up with Hurst Performance, the same company behind the legendary Hurst shifters and special edition models. Together, they wanted to create something shocking. A car that would grab attention instantly and prove AMC could play in the big leagues. Their goal? Build a street-legal drag car for the everyday American. Something simple, something affordable, something brutally fast. And that's exactly what they did. The SCC Rambler didn't just stand out. It screamed for attention. It came in only 2 color schemes, and both were wild. Bright white body, red, white, and blue racing stripes. Huge air scoop on the hood. 390 cu. Illiterating for anyone doubting its power. This wasn't a muscle car that tried to blend in. It was pure national pride on wheels America in car form. Even today, when an SC Rambler appears at a car show, people run toward it because it looks like nothing else on the road. Under the hood was AMC's mighty 390 cubic inch V8, producing 315 horsepower and nearly 425 pounds-ft of torque. Remember, this car weighed just around 3,000 pounds. That meant one thing: speed. How fast? Very fast. Period tests recorded 0 to 60 in nearly 6 seconds and a quarter mile in the low 14s, which was big league performance in 1969. This was the era of the Boss Mustang, the 426 Hemi, the Chevelle S, and the SC Rambler could run with all of them, yet it cost dramatically less. Unlike many muscle cars that required upgrades, the SCC Rambler came drag-ready from day one. Hurst 4-speed shifter, high-flow intake, performance, camshaft, dual exhaust, heavy-duty clip, power front disc brakes, upgraded suspension for straight-line launches. It wasn't meant to be a luxury cruiser, it was built to win races right off the dealership line. Owners didn't need to modify it. They just added gas and tires and hit the drag strip. AMC built only 1,512 units of the SE. That makes it one of the rarest muscle cars of the golden era. Most of them were raced hard, wrecked, or worn out, which means surviving originals are extremely valuable today. Clean examples now sell for $70,000 to over $120,000. And they continue to rise in price because collectors finally realize how special this car is. The 1969 AMC Hurst SC Rambler represents something nobody else dared to do. A small company with limited resources created a muscle car loud enough, fast enough, and bold enough to challenge the giants of Detroit. It was affordable, it was patriotic, and it was insanely fun to drive. It wasn't supposed to be the king of the streets, but for many people, it absolutely was. The 1969 AMC Hurst SC Rambler isn't just a forgotten classic. It's a symbol of American creativity, performance, and rebellion. A car that showed the world you don't need to be the biggest brand to build something unforgettable. If you love rare, powerful, and surprising American muscle cars, this one deserves a top spot.